The way we're building homes today is a lot different than it was 5 years ago, 10 years ago.
For home builders such as Charles Thomas Homes who want to create efficient, tight homes, the technology that we use at Christensen Lumber really allows us to do that.
The way we build today is in the manufacturing facility, in a controlled environment, out of the elements.
Our saws are able to cut within 1/32 of an inch, and you really get your walls to come together tight. It's more like trim work, molding in the house, than it actually is rough framing. We use 3D modeling. We're able to rotate the house, look at it in 3 dimensions. You can actually walk through the house, see where your heat runs are, see where your plumbing needs to go. Once the designers are done with the design process, they send it out to the shop where it starts at the saws, gets cut for the assembly line workers.
One of the things that we really like about Christensen Lumber out here is it's a very green plant. And one of the things that they do to remain green is they actually burn their sawdust to heat the plant here during the wintertime. So what you're looking at here is a giant wood-burning stove that heats this whole plant during the wintertime. And then during the summertime, they actually take their sawdust and they sell it to other places. So almost 100% of all their scrap gets used during the process.
Once everything is cut, the assembly line assemblers will put the wall together, and then it goes down to the framing station where they'll actually assemble the wall. They'll attach their bottom and top plate in, the sheeting will get tacked on and stapled on by up to 23 staples at one time, and then once the sheeting is placed on the wall, it gets craned off, gets ready for shipment.
Another very green feature out here at Christensen Lumber is their use of scrap material. As you may have seen on some of those other saws, when they cut the longer boards, you end up with a small piece of waste. Over here you see their waste all stacked up in a nice pile, and it's going to be put into these 16-inch floor trusses.
So there you have it. We just finished our tour of the component manufacturing facility at Christensen Lumber out here in Fremont. I wanted to thank Dan and Chris and all the guys out here in Fremont for taking us around and showing us what a great facility this is. We're real happy to be partnering up with Christensen Lumber, so thanks again guys, and let's go build some walls.